Hey guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I thought I'd like to make the long overdue video showcasing the 1-to-100 model that Airbus gave us of the A350F, which we helped to design the livery of. This model was originally specified in the competition as one of the awards, so definitely glad to have received two of them, one for me and one for my brother. We did get to see this model at the Paris Air Show, as this is what we used to help unveil the design during the launch ceremony for the livery. But anyways, without further ado, let's take a closer look at the model and the A350F livery design in general. Starting out here at the front, you have your typical A350F nose. As the aircraft is designed to look like a cardboard box, you have this creamy cardboard color across the entire fuselage, which I think does look quite nice on the A350. Right behind the L1 door, you have some tape, which was originally an element from John's design, and Airbus had worked to put their own spin on it as well, with that orangey color and the A350 text over it. Now, me, my brothers, and John's designs were quite similar, so Airbus thought it'd be best to work and amalgamate the designs together, along with adding a couple of their own elements as well. So right here, you have the "This Way Up" sticker, which is something I believe both me and John had on our designs. And here we have something that Airbus decided would be nice to add to the design, that being these stickers, mostly showcasing what kinds of different items the A350F is capable of carrying. Moving down to the engines, we have a blue airmail sticker, which was quite prominently featured on my original design, but on the final design we moved it down over to the engine by the Rolls-Royce logo, where I think it looks quite nice. Here on the winglets, we have where I originally believe I had put the QR code on my original design. We went with a kind of orangey color to it with the A350F logo on it. And moving towards the back of the aircraft here, we have something that was featured also quite prominently on my original design, that being the packing label. Now the packing label does contain a QR code leading to a site featuring plenty of different information about the A350F, along with a barcode, other things you generally see on a packing label, and our names as well in small, or what on the aircraft will be quite large lettering underneath the "This Way Up" sticker. The packing label is featured on both sides of the aircraft, with it being ever so slightly larger on the side that doesn't have the cargo door. Now moving over to the cargo door itself, here you have it outlined and a "Open Here for Business" sign, which is something I think that mostly came from Airbus's design, as I believe I had the "This Way Up" stickers on the cargo door originally. Here you have the registration, Foxtrot Whiskey X-Ray Lima Delta, along with some other elements that Airbus had wanted to include below that. Another element that I'm glad to have seen Airbus help to incorporate was the original carbon fiber tail from the A350 passenger version. Definitely thought that was one of the best looking liveries of all time, so glad to see the carbon fiber tail also make it onto the A350F as well. Overall, in the end, I'm very proud of the livery that me, my brother, John, and Airbus helped to design for the A350F, and I think it will look absolutely excellent on the aircraft at its launch event sometimes in the future, and can't wait to be there and see it in person. Definitely apologize for not being able to get more content out lately. I've been quite busy with school and flying lessons. However, some of you may notice what model airport update will be coming out next. So that's definitely something that I'm hoping to get out soon. But anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys back next time.